Found an LNF file in a shared folder or email and don't know what it connects to? This is a document link from the HCL Notes collaboration platform. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you understand and open these Notes link files. Just a heads up, when we get to our final point, the one-click fix, we'll be discussing the value of a single powerful LNF file inspection tool. LNF files are document link files created by HCL Notes, formerly IBM Lotus Notes, the enterprise collaboration and messaging platform. They contain pointers to specific documents, databases, views, or other objects within a Notes Domino server environment, enabling quick access to shared enterprise content resources. LNF files use a proprietary format storing notes, document link data including the target server name, database replica, ID view, or folder, universal ID and document universal ID. The link encapsulates the complete notes, addressing path needed to locate and open the referenced object on the Domino server. To gain full access to LNF, the application needed is HCL Notes from HCL Technologies. To ensure the integrity of the system files, a dedicated utility should be used instead of Windows default. Windows can open shortcut properties, but not the destination unless it is still valid. The problem is often a missing file hook. Right-click the LNF file and choose Open With. Start with HCL Notes, if available. If not, select another application from the list. If the LNF file won't open, don't panic. Don't be confused by the error message. Here are the 3 most common technical reasons your LNF file is not opening. First, opening in HCL Notes. Double-click the LNF file with HCL Notes installed on your system. Notes resolves the link and opens the reference document database or view directly in the Notes client. Ensure you have network access to the target Domino server and appropriate access permissions for the link database and document. Next, verifying link targets. If the LNF link fails to open, verify your connection to the Domino server in HCL Notes under File, then Preferences, then Notes Ports. Check that the target database still exists on the server, and your ID file has the required access level. Contact your Notes administrator if the database has been moved or access has been restricted. Finally, sharing notes. Content alternatively. Instead of sharing LNF files, create notes, document links that work across platforms by copying the document URL from the Notes web client. In HCL Notes, right-click a document and select Copy as then Document Link to create a shareable link. For non-Notes users, export the document content to PDF for universal access. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. Finally, the problem might be deep-seated. Your most efficient path to success now is using a high-powered universal viewer like FileMagick. This software is available at filemagick.com. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.